You have enabled developer options USB debugging on your phone, and please disable both. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you how you can solve if your Android phone says that you have enabled the USB debugging and developer options and it asks you to disable both. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'm not sure why your Android phone is telling you to turn this off, but if it is turned off, most likely it is definitely on. So basically open up the settings app depending upon which phone you're using and just scroll down. In my case, the developer options is under system settings, and right here I'm finding the option called developer options. Now in case you don't find it, it means that your developer options is not enabled, or in the search bar you can just go ahead and then try tapping in the developer options here, and then you'll definitely find there as well. Now you can directly choose to turn this off, but if you want to turn off USB debugging specifically, you can just turn off USB debugging here, and then you can also turn off the use developer options button, and then after that your developer options will get definitely turned off, as well as USB debugging will also get turned off. But I personally like it having it turned on so that I can just connect to my PC and do whatever else I prefer. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then actually solve that USB debugging issue. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.